Oh, hi, Ashalon.
Hi there.
I was speaking to Lisa the other day.
Really?
And she was like, hi. And I was like, hi.
Oh.
And he was like, I love your dress.
Okay.
And they were like, no way.
Wait.
And it was totally like,
But
totally.
please stop talking.
She was all, he was all, they were like, you were all like, oh my god, like totally. We were like, I was all, they were all, he was like, oh totally, like, oh my god.
After many days of traveling and playing ping pong, I had developed a terrible disease known as exploding lemon syndrome, which meant I needed to eat a lemon every hour to stop myself exploding. I went to visit Dr. Spachter to see what he could do, and he said,
"You smell like feet. What have you been doing?"
"Feet? I smell like lemons, actually."
Is it exploding lemon syndrome?
"Yes."
I knew it was that.
"No, you didn't. You said I smelled like feet."
Well, never mind. Okay. You must travel to the forest and find the two-legged bird of ultimate wisdom. Then say the magic words, and you will be healed.
Okay, great.
100 gold, please.
Stop. Where are you going?
I've come to look for the two-legged bird of ultimate knowledge.
I see. Well, don't take too long.
Thank you.
Hey, Florence, do you still want to go to see pigs at war with me?
No,
Oh, okay then.
I don't like pig movies.
What about Revenge of the Chicken Monster?
No.
Never mind.
I wonder if that guy knows where the two-legged bird of ultimate wisdom is. Excuse me.
Yes?
Do you know where the two-legged bird of ultimate wisdom is?
You mean the Tulbu?
Tulbu.
Yes. TLBOUW. Two-legged bird of ultimate wisdom.
Right. Do you know where it is?
No.
Great.
But Sir Pickle Face will.
Thanks. Are you Sir Pickle Face?
Yes.
I need to find the Tulbu.
Okay, but first you must do me a favor.
What kind of favor?
There are two trolls out there. They keep causing us bother and making a lot of noise. Deal with them.
All right.
But before you go, stand in that box.
What for?
Just do it.
Can I come out yet?
No.
How about now?
Not yet?
Please?
All right.
What was that for?
I don't know.
I see.
But it was fun. Now go. Well done. The taboo is hidden in a village near Dali Dudu 3627. You'll find it. When you get there you must say the magic word, and the bird will appear suddenly, like a puff of smoke on a horse's chin. Quiet, but powerful.
I see. Thanks. The Tulbu should be around here somewhere.
Greetings. I am the two-legged bird of ultimate wisdom, and I've clearly been photoshopped. Now, say the magic word.
Please?
No.
Thank you.
Definitely not.
Octopus.
Don't be silly.
Arbitrary.
Don't be sensible.
Sailing.
Don't say anything beginning with S.
Turkey face.
Try a type of food.
Marshmallow.
A vegetable.
Carrots.
A green one.
Sprouts.
No.
Cabbage.
No way.
Lawnmower.
Correct.
Great. Now how do I get rid of this disease?
What disease?
Exploding lemon syndrome.
That doesn't exist.
Are you sure?
Yes. How long have you been traveling?
2 days.
And how many lemons have you had?
None.
And have you exploded?
I don't think so.
Well, there you go.
You're right.
Who told you that you had this disease?
An old friend.
And that's how you check if your heart is still beating.
I feel like hitting somebody on the head with a hammer. Maybe one of you people. You all look smelly and fat. Tell me, do you like mushrooms? Okay, I shall let you live. Now, listen to me. Together, we will stand united under the banner of mushrooms, ready to take down anyone that gets in our way. If someone asks for bacon, we say no and give them a mushroom. If they don't take it, we bash them with toothbrushes until they cry.
And I told them I wanted it without the chilies, but they wouldn't listen.
The deed is done.
So I threw a sponge at his
These
face.
men are ready to spread mushrooms around the world. Are you ready? Have you prepared your men?
Mushrooms? I thought we were doing donuts.
Donuts? Are you stupid? Are you telling me that I've just spent 5 weeks picking mushrooms with my ears for nothing? Of course it's not donuts. I'm really quite angry. I think I might just have...
What was that for?
Well, he called you stupid. And he had a fly on his nose. So there.
I think she likes you.
Yes, quite. I think she does. So is it mushrooms or donuts?
I thought it was waffles.